of the recessional, we want to ask those of you in the audience to please remain in your seats until all the graduates have exited the floor. And graduates, please remember to exit the floor as we practiced yesterday, and stay in your lines as it will expedite picking up your diploma in the back. Families can meet their graduates on the side that their graduate is seated. This concludes the 2017 graduation ceremony. Thank you and have a safe trip home.